Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, desperately seeking a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Insomnia and lack of sleep can take a toll on our well being, affecting our mood, productivity, and overall health. But fear not. In this video, we'll reveal 7 scientifically backed drinks that can help you get the restful sleep you deserve. So let's dive in. Before we explore these drinks, let's take a moment to understand what is insomnia. Insomnia is a sleep disorder characterized by persistent difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or experiencing poor sleep quality. It can leave you feeling exhausted, irritable, and unable to function at your best. But did you know that insomnia is more common than you might think? According to the National Sleep Foundation, approximately 30% of adults in the United States experience symptoms of insomnia, with about 10% suffering from chronic insomnia, which lasts for 3 months or more. These numbers highlight the significant impact insomnia has on our society. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. If you are experiencing chronic sleep problems or suspect an underlying sleep disorder, it is always recommended to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. They are best equipped to provide a proper diagnosis and offer appropriate treatment options. Without further ado, let us now turn our attention to an exploration of these beverages. Our first sleep-inducing elixir is none other than chamomile tea. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for sleeplessness. Chamomile contains several bioactive compounds, including apigenin, which has been shown to have sedative properties. This special ingredient binds to specific receptors in your brain, known as benzodiazepine receptors. These receptors play a crucial role in regulating sleep and anxiety levels. When chamomile's apigenin interacts with these receptors, it sets the stage for relaxation and sleepiness to take center stage. We all know that anxiety can be a real sleep wrecker. But fear not. Chamomile tea has been a loyal ally in the battle against anxiety. Its anxiolytic effects have been studied extensively. By reducing anxiety levels, chamomile tea may help calm the mind and create a sense of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Chamomile tea also contains flavonoids that have muscle-relaxing properties. Relaxing tense muscles can promote physical comfort and ease any discomfort that may hinder falling asleep or staying asleep. To prepare, simply steep chamomile tea bags in hot water for 5-7 minutes and sip your way to dreamland. Moving on to our second drink, valerian root tea. Valerian root contains remarkable compounds like valerianic acid and valipatriates that possess sedative properties. These compounds work their magic by interacting with specific receptors in your brain, known as GABA receptors, which play a vital role in regulating sleep and relaxation. By enhancing the effects of GABA, valerian root tea sets the stage for a state of calmness and sleepiness. Valerian root has also been studied for its remarkable anxiolytic and stress-reducing properties. It acts as a soothing balm, helping to reduce anxiety levels and cultivate a sense of tranquility within you. Sleep onset, the elusive moment when we transition from wakefulness to slumber. Valerian root tea may have a special trick up its sleeve. Studies suggest that it could potentially reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, known as sleep onset latency. To make valerian root tea, steep a teaspoon of dried valerian root in hot water for 10-15 minutes, strain, and enjoy before bedtime. Now, let's talk about another drink that might surprise you, warm milk. This age-old remedy isn't just an old wives' tale. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter involved in sleep regulation. Consuming warm milk before bed can increase the availability of tryptophan in the brain, promoting the production of serotonin. Serotonin, in turn, is converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. By increasing melatonin levels, warm milk can help signal to the body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Additionally, the warmth of the milk has a comforting effect, which can induce a sense of relaxation and promote a more restful sleep. It's important to note that individual responses to warm milk may vary, and it may not have the same impact on everyone. Simply warm up a cup of milk, sprinkle some cinnamon for added flavor, and sip your way to a peaceful slumber. Before we dive back into the content, we want to take a moment to express our gratitude. If you're finding this video enjoyable and informative, we would be truly grateful if you could show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Now let's pick up where we left off and continue our journey together. It's time to introduce tart cherry juice, A delicious sleep aid. Tart cherry juice has gained attention for its potential sleep-enhancing properties, supported by medical research. This vibrant red juice is rich in natural compounds, including melatonin, a hormone crucial for regulating sleep-wake cycles. Consuming tart cherry juice can increase the availability of melatonin in the body, helping to synchronize circadian rhythms and promote a more restful sleep. Studies have shown that regular consumption of tart cherry juice can improve sleep duration and quality, reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, and enhance sleep efficiency. Additionally, the juice contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may contribute to overall health and well-being, indirectly supporting better sleep. It's important to choose a tart cherry juice that is minimally processed and does not contain added sugars or artificial ingredients to maximize the potential sleep benefits. Pour yourself a glass of tart cherry juice before bed and let its natural sleep-enhancing properties work their magic. Our fifth drink is a soothing cup of lavender tea. Lavender tea, derived from the fragrant lavender plant, has been used for centuries for its calming and soothing properties. Medical studies have indicated that lavender tea may have a positive impact on sleep quality and insomnia symptoms. The aroma of lavender has been shown to have sedative effects, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Inhalation of lavender's essential oils has been found to decrease heart rate and blood pressure, inducing a state of tranquility. As a tea, lavender can be consumed orally, allowing its bioactive compounds to interact with the body's systems. Lavender tea contains compounds such as linalool and linaloyl acetate, which may influence neural pathways associated with sleep regulation. These compounds may enhance the production of GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and sleep. Drinking lavender tea before bedtime has been suggested to improve sleep duration, increase deep sleep, and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Steep dried lavender flowers in hot water, cover, and let it infuse for 10-15 minutes. Sit back, inhale the calming aroma, and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. We're almost there, but first, let's explore the benefits of a warm cup of lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea, derived from the lemon balm plant, Melissa officinalis, has a long history of use as a herbal remedy for its calming and sleep-promoting properties. Scientific research has shown that lemon balm tea may have a positive impact on sleep quality and insomnia symptoms. The tea contains bioactive compounds, including rosmarinic acid and flavonoids, which are believed to contribute to its therapeutic effects. Lemon balm tea has been found to possess anxiolytic properties, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. It may also modulate GABA receptors in the brain, enhancing the effects of this neurotransmitter that is known to promote sleep and reduce anxiety. Consuming lemon balm tea before bedtime has been associated with improved sleep duration, reduced sleep disturbances, and a decrease in insomnia symptoms. It's important to note that while lemon balm tea is generally considered safe, it may interact with certain medications. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating lemon balm tea into your sleep routine, particularly if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Steep lemon balm leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and experience the tranquilizing effects of this delightful herbal tea. Last but certainly not least, we have a magnesium-rich elixir, almond milk. Almond milk, a popular dairy-free alternative, may offer potential benefits for sleep. While specific scientific studies focus solely on almond milk and sleep are limited, there are several aspects that suggest its potential sleep-promoting properties. Almond milk is naturally rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in supporting relaxation and quality sleep. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, including GABA, which has calming effects and aids in sleep. By consuming almond milk, which contains magnesium, you may contribute to maintaining healthy magnesium levels, potentially leading to improved sleep quality. Additionally, almond milk is often fortified with vitamin D, which has been associated with better sleep duration and reduced sleep disturbances. Adequate vitamin D levels may support healthy sleep patterns. Sip on a glass of almond milk before bed and let the soothing combination of warmth and magnesium calm your body and mind. Now it's your turn. We would love to hear from our viewers. Have you had the chance to explore the 7 drinks we mentioned for promoting better sleep? If not, are you open to giving them a try? For those who have already tried these beverages, do you have any preferred one? We value your thoughts and experiences, so please feel free to share. As you continue on your journey to optimal health, don't miss out on our latest video that's sure to captivate you. 8 life-changing benefits of daily moringa tea you should know.